XCN holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Let's waste no more time and analyze and take a look at what's happening with the price of XCN right now, and of course what we could be expecting going into the weekend. Looking across the board, I'm sure you guys are up to date as to what's happening with the markets, especially if you did watch my XRP update. We are seeing a lot of manipulation happening within the markets, and as far as the crypto summit is concerned, it did not go as hyped as a lot of people anticipated in terms of how big of a deal it is to have a crypto summit at the White House. Let's not neglect that. That does not change. But in terms of some of the announcements that people were expecting, that did not go as planned, and of course the market did retrace, and I think the market was going to retrace regardless, because of course sell the news event, it really does take place. But anyhow, looking across the board, quite a bit of red right now across the market. If you're looking at XCN right now, it's holding at 1.442 cents. It's actually up 1.1% in USD, up 2.2% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative. The market cap still below $500 million, to be exact, 472 million, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 52 million. So in a grand scheme of things here, guys, Onyxcoin, even though you're seeing it sitting in green, it has a long way to go, where it really needs to be right now. So in terms of getting excited, I know people are going to come out and say, Crypto ZX, well, it's up right now. This is looking amazing. But, we're actually sitting below a $500 million valuation. That is a psychological level. So that is something that, we shouldn't be ignoring. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So as far as the dominance is concerned, ranging around the 61.3% mark, not much has changed for that, despite the fact that, we did see BTC fall down to the likes of, you can see this for yourself, Bitcoin actually fell down to $84,639, earlier yesterday. And then, of course, made its way up to 91K. And then after that, of course, it's pretty much finding itself back down to this 86K mark. A lot of fluctuations happening within the markets, a lot of liquidations occurring. And this is why you want to stay away from leverage trading platforms, as I've stated to you guys before. You are seeing a lot of manipulation happening right now for the crypto markets. But with that said, obviously, Bitcoin is sitting at some neckline support. So of course, if this does not hold, as I stated in some of my other updates, the chances of us, actually going down to the likes of 82.7K is still on the table. Potentially even setting, double bottom is still on the table right now. But with that said, let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with XCN right now as we speak. So XCN, here, let me kind of zoom in for you guys. So we actually went down to the likes of 1.36 cents. So, we still have not retested the February 28th low, which again was at around 1.35 cents, but we're getting very, very close, very, very close. Of course, this was when we saw that major pullback, but we did see a, massive move towards the upside, just last Sunday when Donald Trump announced, the crypto strategic reserve, which again is not even a crypto strategic reserve. It is more of like a Bitcoin strategic reserve, and, they are having some other altcoins, in the stockpile. But you can see this for yourself. We saw XCN going up 54.5% from that specific level. So what I'm trying to show you guys is that, this project has shown, significant bounces in the past. And, obviously due to, the market positivity, when, market does see some positive moves, you do tend to see, XCN reacting to that. And again, the confirmation is right here in front of us. But with that said, we're still finding ourselves, pretty much at the neckline of the February 28th level. And again, we know the significance of that support line, as I've stated to you guys before. If the support does not hold, the likes of us falling down to the 1.2 cents mark, potentially making our way down to the likes of 1.1 cents is still on the table right now, which I'm sure no one really wants to see. But again, obviously right now, even though we're seeing XCN holding quite well right now against the market, it's not a time to be getting excited whatsoever, because of course, we're in a weekend of more manipulation than usual. Bitcoin's not looking too good right now because of course, we're not at the level where I would like to see Bitcoin at, which is at 23.6. So as of now, all these things need to be factored in. I'll obviously keep you guys covered. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. It's been absolutely amazing. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace.